middle right there. I hope you're gonna be proud. And then you're just gonna go buy me some cheese moza. Bye.
But during the session at
Hi.
pwede pong sumama yung pong
This is
kanyang
my
mga
graduation day.
Thank you po.
I hope you're gonna be very proud.